Here's a little test run of my tiki bird. I've done a lot. I'm working on making it a kit. I think I'm going to sell them. I think they make pretty cool little desk ornaments. And, I can make them for, pretty cheap. And they don't take too long. So I have so it's the head movement. And then I got, I'm going to have to hold this down. And I got new filament coming, so the base is going to be black, body's going to be black, the mechanisms are going to be black, and then the wings are going to be clear, and they're just going to be removable, so you can be a little cool, just a little thing to sit on my desk. I reckon he'll be pretty cool. Anyway, so he's working now.